Hello, and welcome to this video on the real cost of money and what the wealthy know. Money is a crucial aspect of our lives, and having a good understanding of its cost is essential for financial success. In this video, we'll be exploring the insights and habits of the wealthy that have helped them achieve financial prosperity. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of finance and discover the real cost of money. Opportunity cost. Opportunity cost is the cost of a missed opportunity. When you choose to spend money on one thing, you are giving up the opportunity to spend it on something else. The wealthy understand that opportunity cost is an important factor in decision-making when it comes to money. For example, if you choose to invest your money in a low-interest savings account, you may be missing out on the opportunity to invest it in a stock that has the potential for higher returns. The cost of this missed opportunity is the opportunity cost. Inflation. Inflation is the rate at which the general level of prices for goods and services is rising, and, subsequently, purchasing power is falling. The wealthy understand the impact of inflation on their money and how it can erode their purchasing power over time. To combat inflation, the wealthy invest their money in assets that have the potential to increase in value over time, such as real estate, stocks, or precious metals. Taxes. Taxes can have a significant impact on the real cost of money. The wealthy understand the importance of tax planning and take advantage of tax-saving strategies, such as contributions to a retirement account or investment in real estate, to reduce their tax burden. They also have a good understanding of tax laws and regulations, which allows them to minimize their tax liability and keep more of their money. Fees. Fees can add up quickly and have a significant impact on the real cost of money. The wealthy understand the importance of avoiding unnecessary fees and minimize the fees they pay by being mindful of the fees associated with bank accounts, investments, and loans. They'd also take advantage of fee-free options and negotiate lower fees when possible. Time. Time is a valuable commodity, and the wealthy understand that the cost of money is not just measured in dollars and cents, but also in time. They use their time wisely and invest it in activities that will lead to financial growth, such as education and networking. They also use their time to plan for their financial future, setting goals, and developing a plan to achieve them. Diversification. Diversification is a key principle of wealth management, and the wealthy understand its importance in minimizing risk and maximizing returns. By spreading their money across different types of investments, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities, they are able to reduce the impact of any potential losses in one particular area. For example, if one stock performs poorly, the overall portfolio will still have the potential to perform well due to the diversity of investments. A well-diversified portfolio also offers the opportunity to earn returns from a range of different sources, which can help increase the overall return on investment. Patience. The wealthy understand that building wealth takes time, and that making hasty decisions can lead to costly mistakes. They exercise patience in their investments, avoiding the temptation to sell during times of market volatility and instead waiting for the right opportunities to materialize. This patience allows them to make well-informed decisions and avoid the pitfalls of emotional investing. They understand that building wealth requires a long-term perspective and that slow and steady wins the race. Financial education. The wealthy value financial education and continually seek to learn more about finance, economics, and investments. They understand that knowledge is power and that staying informed is critical to making informed financial decisions. They invest in their financial education through reading books, attending workshops, and seeking advice from experts in their field. This ongoing education helps them stay ahead of the curve and make decisions based on a deep understanding of the financial world. Professional advice. The wealthy often seek the advice of professional financial advisors to help them make informed financial decisions. These advisors can provide valuable insights and advice that the wealthy may not have considered on their own. Financial advisors can also help create a comprehensive financial plan and provide guidance on tax planning, risk management, and investment strategy. The wealthy understand that a financial advisor can be a valuable resource in their journey towards financial growth and stability. Risk management. The wealthy understand that investing carries risk and that managing risk is critical to long-term success. They have a plan in place to manage risk, which includes diversifying their investments, avoiding hasty decisions, and setting realistic financial goals. They also regularly review their portfolio and adjust it as needed to ensure that their investments align with their risk tolerance and long-term financial goals. By managing risk effectively, they are able to sleep better at night, knowing that their finances are on track. Networking. The wealthy understand the importance of networking and actively build and maintain relationships with people in their industry. This network can include successful entrepreneurs, investors, and financial professionals, and can be a valuable source of information and opportunity. By having a strong network, the wealthy are able to learn from others, stay informed about new opportunities, and gain access to new investment opportunities. Networking also helps the wealthy build relationships and establish trust, which can be critical when making financial decisions. Mental attitude. The wealthy have a positive mental attitude towards money and finances. They see money as a tool to achieve their goals, rather than an end in itself. They are not afraid to take calculated risks and believe that with hard work and determination, they can achieve their financial goals. This positive mental attitude helps them stay focused and motivated, even during difficult times. Thank you for watching this video on the real cost of money and what the wealthy know. We hope that you found this video informative and that you have gained a deeper understanding of the financial habits and insights of the wealthy. Remember, the real cost of money is not just about the amount of money you have, but also about the way you manage it. So start taking control of your finances today and take the first step towards financial success. Until next time, goodbye.